optimizing our page. And I told you in this video I'm going to be showing you how to link up Google Analytics to your website, all right, so that you can get all reports like where are your visitors coming from, everything, every information on your site, like the number of visitors you have, are they from Facebook, are they from Google, where are they coming from, whichever channel they're coming from, right? That's what I'm going to be showing you in this video. All right, so now but before we get into that video, let me just show you something here. Let me show you something here. Now when you look at this, remember I dropped a video on this channel on how to resize your images, which will help you for search engine optimization, right? Yeah, so if you want to watch that video, just go and check how to resize images and so on. It's on this channel, guys, so go and watch that video. When you look here, you see images, you see the way my images are very good. Yes, they are good. Why are they good? They are good because I actually optimized those images. I didn't just get those images from the internet or get pictures and just uploaded them on my site like that. No, I actually optimized those images. I actually resized those images following the size which are actually required. All right, there are sizes that are being required for your site. You don't just go and get an image on the internet, bam, on your site, get an image, bam, on your site. No, you'll get images that are too big. Some images will be too big, which will actually slow down your site. They'll actually like retardate the speed of your website. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to resize your images. And how do you do that? There's a video on how to do that, so go on my channel and look for that video. The video is there, guys. I'll surely link the video. I'll link the video in the description below. Right, I'll put the link in the description below on how to get it done. So watch that video, guys, and when you watch that video, do leave a thumbs up on that video, guys. All right, so it will help others to also get to that video, and it's going to encourage me as well to do more valuable content like that. All right, guys, so let's go right away. Let me show you how to link up your Google Analytics to your WordPress website. Okay, so now you just go in a new tab and you type in analytics.google.com. all right, analytics.google.com. Then you take enter. Let's go. So you just hold on for it to load. I already have a Google Analytics account which I'm using for all the sites I'm optimizing. Okay, so with you, if you don't have one, when it opens, you have to sign up with your Google account. Okay, you have to sign up, create an analytics account with your Google account. Now with me, it's just taking me straight in there because I already have things which I'm doing there, right? So this is one of the sites I have here on this analytics account, a site I just optimized. It was just last week I optimized this site. So you see it's already having new users. You see already it's already having, I optimized the site just last week, so you can see the results here. With Google Analytics, you can act with this analytics, you can actually come here and check out what is happening on your site, but actually I don't prefer it. All right, so I'm going to show you how to link Google Analytics to your website so that you can just go to your website dashboard and get every information. So there are two different ways you can do that. You can actually do that using Google Sitekit. All right, you can use Google Sitekit for this particular exercise, or you can use Monster Insight, but the plugin we're going to be using here is Monster Insight. All right, we're going to be using Monster Insight because Monster Insight is somehow more detailed than Google. But now what happens is, it is more detailed than Google Sitekit, but what happens is Google Sitekit supports it has a lot of supports from Google. It has like AdSense, Google AdSense, Google Search Console, you understand? So which Google and Monster Insight doesn't have. But Monster Insight gives you a little bit more detailed information about your visitors than Google Sitekit. All right, so Monster Insight has a premium version of a plugin and a free version, but we're going to be using a free version. But if you are if you have a, let's say for example, a very successful e-commerce website where you need to track every details, every clicks and everything, then you need to get Monster Insight premium plugin. But if you are a small business or just a normal business, like your business is not too big, like the free version is very okay. Now when you log into this, when you create your account with Google Analytics, now my own is just taking me directly inside because my password and everything has been saved. Like I have an account which I'm using for all my works. Okay, that's why you see you're just taking me directly here. But in a case where you just create your own account, your dashboard will be different. But if it is not different, you just come down here, you see down here there's a setting icon here. Just click on the settings icon, just click on that icon. Now when you click on that settings icon, it's going to open up this board for you. It's going to open up this board. All right, now what you do is you just have to come here, create account. All right, now remember, the account you created on Google Analytics is your general Google Analytics account. Now you can have different websites or different properties on this particular Google Analytics. All right, like here, if you check here, you see this listen basis. This is a domain I have here. This is one property. All right, this is its account, and this is the property. All right, so now you can add another one. All right, you can add another one. If you check here, you see this is a property, this is another property. I have two different domains here. All right, so you just come here, you click on create account. Remember, this account is like a folder inside this Google Analytics, right? So you just click on create account. Now they'll ask you for my account name. I'll just say immigration travels. Immigration travels, right? That's what that is the website name. Here they are just asking you like this is Google Google Analytics asking you like maybe they want to send you supports and some kind of things, just some kind of information, updates and stuffs like that, right? You can uncheck them as well as you can actually check them. So in this case, I'm just going to leave it the way it is, right? So I'll just take next. Now here they'll ask you for the property name, which is your domain, I'll just go to the website and copy the domain. I'll just come here, I'll copy this domain, I'll copy it, I'll go back to Google Analytics, then I'll enter the name here. I'll remove this because that's a URL. I'll just remove and leave the domain there. Now if you're an e-commerce store, now first of all, we'll go to the reporting time zone. They're asking you to select your time zone. I'm actually in Cameroon, so I'm using the United Kingdom time zone, right? Okay, so I'll just leave it the way it is. With you can change it if you want, depending on you. So now the currency, they're asking for the currency. If you're an e-commerce store, they're asking for the currency, like a currency which you like to keep track to. All right, you can choose the US dollar or whatever you want. With me, my own is giving me British pound because of the time zone as well. So you just come here, select advanced option. Now you see you have to check this one. They'll ask you to create a universal property. You check this, but when you read this information, they'll tell you universal analytic property will stop collecting data starting from the 1st of July 2023. It is recommended that you create a Google Analytics 4 property instead. All right, so you select this first of all, then you come here, you need to enter your site name, enter your domain name here, remove this HTTPS, remove this because you already have the URL here, you already have this prefix here. Now you just come here, they'll ask you to create. Remember, this information up here is telling us that Google Analytics, the Universal Analytics, will stop working from the 1st of July 2023. So they ask us to create a Google Analytics 4 instead of just the Universal. So they say create both a Google Analytics 4 and Universal Analytic property. So we select this one and we'll take next. All right, so here now they are just asking you like information about your business. You know what you choose, what's your business size, maybe 1 to 10%, maybe 10 11 to 100%, or just take 1 to 10. It depends on you, whatever business, the size of your business. Then they're asking you to take like how do you intend to use Google Analytics with your business, right? Tick all that applies. So you tick the things that applies to your business. Okay, measure customer engagement, optimize my site experience, measure data across multiple devices and platform, optimize my advertising costs. Right, it depends on you. Okay, increase my conversion, measure content monetization. So if you're monetizing your site, you need to select this, right, so that all these information will actually be shown on your site. Okay, analyze my online sales. If you're an e-commerce store, measure app installation. If this is an application, you have to select this. Measure lead generation and others, right? So you just select all that applies to you, and you create this property. Okay, create the property. Then now when you come here, you need to, this is actually the Google terms and services of Google Analytics. So I'll just select this and I'll accept those conditions. All right, so it has been created. Now we just need to hold on. Okay, so you see here they have given us all these informations, all the rest. All right, so we just need to exit this. You hold on, hold on. Okay, they say install with a website builder CMS that I'll remove this. No, I'm going to be doing this manually. We're going to install the Monster Insight plugin, which we use to link our Google Analytics. So we don't need all this, right? We don't need all this, so we'll just exit all this. So everything has been created. All right, this is it. You see the property has been created. This is everything about our property. So this is everything here. So now we need to go into our website, and I'll show you how to link our website to Google Analytics. So we have created a Google Analytics account. Now we need to link this account to our website. So how do we do that? So this is our website. Let's just go back. Let's go back to our back end. So we'll come here. We need to add a new plugin. Just go to your plugin section. Let's go to plugins. You just come to plugins. Then under plugins, we need to take add new. Let's add new plugin. Then we need to search for Monster Insight. Monster Insight. All right, so you see this is the plugin here, Monster Insight, Google Analytics dashboard for WordPress website states made easy. All right, so we need to install that plugin. After installing, we activate the plugin. All right, guys, so it's very simple. You see here they say getting started with Monster Insight. So you can watch this tutorial, but I'm here for you. I'm here to guide you through. So you can actually launch the wizard, like that is launch the setup wizard for this Monster Insight. You can see all the features. You have the pro. This is the pro version. You can check out all the features of the pro version. If you like, remember I earlier told you, if you are like a big e-commerce store, if you have a very big e-commerce shop or web shop, you might need this Monster Insight premium plugin, right, so as to keep track of all your records, everything. All right, but for a small website, a small business, this free version is more than enough for you. All right, so now we're going to launch this setup wizard. Just click on launch setup wizard. All right, so you see here they'll ask you, they'll tell you welcome to Monster Insight. Let's get you set up. All right, say which category best describe your website. Is it a publisher, maybe a blog? If you are a blog, you select blog. If you're an e-commerce website, you select e-commerce website. But for this tutorial, this website is just a business website, so I will just leave it on business website, and I will take save and continue. They'll bring you to the next interface. Now we are using the free Monster Insight plugin, so we don't need any license key. But if you actually purchase the premium version of Monster Insight plugin, then you will need to enter your license key. All right, if you have the premium version, they will just ask you to enter a license key. You will not see upgrading to pro again. You just see enter your key. You enter your key, but here we don't need the keys because we are using Monster Insight Lite, all right, which is a free version. So I'll just take connect Monster Insight. Let's hold on. All right, now remember we have our Monster Insight account. Like, this interface is showing with me because I need to link this website to the Monster Insight account which I used. All right, so let's go back. Let me check the email which I actually have on this Monster Insight, on this Google Analytics. So this is the email here. This is the email. All right, so I will need to link this email to Monster Insight. I will need to link my website, which has this monster inside, to Google Analytics. All right, with you, when you are actually creating an account with Google Analytics, this is the interface you see. You select your email or your Google account. Okay, with me it didn't show because my password has been saved, so everything was automatic there. So now we will need to select that account. This is the account here, this first account. I'll just click on continue. All right, so now these are just like edit Google Analytics management, and so on. I'll just allow. This is having access to your Google Analytics account. All right, so you just take on allow. Now you need to select that property which you created. All right, so we need to select the property from this list. So immigration travel, this is image travel, this is it here. So you'll see the different properties. If you have different websites on your Google Analytics account, you'll find them here. So you see these are some of the sites I have in this particular account, because I have about 3 Google Analytics account. So you come here, you select the domain which we just created. That's that property. This is it, right? So we created a universal A4 GA4 property. That's a Google Analytics 4. All right, so now you just take complete. Now if you don't find that property, right, this is it here. They'll ask you can't find your site, so you just click on it. You actually get some tips on how to go about in order to have that site here, right? So but we have find our site, we have seen our site, so we'll just take complete connection. So let's just hold on. Let's hold on. Let's hold on for it to complete. And when you read the instruction here, they say please do not close this window, we are finalizing your authentication and with Monster inside. This may take 2 minutes. All right, so let's just hold on. All right, so now they're asking you like some latest stuffs here. It has been connected. So what they're asking you, like event tracking, like maybe you have some events on your site which you want to track those results. You can actually, it depends on you whether you tick them or you leave them. And then here you see file download. You can actually track like download of files on your site. If you're having some files on your site which you want people to download, you can actually give them, like helps you see file download, right? Maybe PDF, document, whichever form, zip, and so on. All right, so then now you come here, affiliate links. You see the parts, like the prefix of the affiliate link. You can add another affiliate link, add a prefix, and so on, right? Like maybe you have affiliate programs on your website, so this is where you set up those prefix. So with me, I have nothing to show, so they'll ask you to show monster inside batch. Do not make this one. Now install updates automatically. Yes, you have to select this so that it helps upgrade this monster inside automatically, because they actually update their versions of this monster inside. Then show this badge. This badge will actually show on your website. Do not enable this. All right, it's not that it will make your website not that professional. Then help us improve, like you maybe want to help them with data to improve their plugin. You might like to switch this on, or you leave it, but I'm just going to leave it the way it is. Then I'll take save and continue. Okay, so this is just a few reports. These are the things you actually selected, and we'll just move down. We take continue. I'll ask you to please wait. We just wait. Okay, now they are checking our site. All right, everything is successful. So you see all the things connected to Google Analytics, tracking code installed, data being collected, all-in-one SEO installed. We need to remove this all-in-one SEO. All right, we need to remove it because we have used. If we leave this all-in-one SEO, I wasn't supposed to take this. If you leave this all-in-one SEO, there's going to be conflict between this plugin and the used plugin. So make sure you uninstall this plugin and delete it. Then obtain monster install. All right, so you just come down here, paste your key. We don't have any key, so you just come here, complete setup without upgrading. All right, so we'll just complete the setup without upgrading. So everything is done, guys. So everything is done, all right. So now let's check out something. Now when you come here, let's just come here. Now let's check all-in-one SEO. Let's go to all-in-one SEO dashboard. This is another this actually is another plugin. Remember I told you we have Yoast SEO, we have all-in-one SEO, and we have Rank Math. All right, now let me show you something. When you look here, they'll tell you conflicting plugin detected. This plugin is actually conflicting with Yoast. All right, there's conflict between this plugin and Yoast because they are performing the same function. They have the same functions they are performing. All right, so we need to delete this all-in-one SEO. Okay, so we need to delete it. So now look at, we have to see our SEO result here. You see, I think we have about 85. Our score is about 85, but you can't see it unless you connect with all-in-one SEO to see your score. So you need to connect this plugin to see your score. All right, we have about 81. I think the score is about 85. So you see this green, this is about 85, something like that. So when you see, we're supposed to see the result here, but we can't unless we connect this plugin. But I don't want to do that. Anyway, let me just connect. Let's see. Then we'll delete the plugin. All right, we'll have to remove the plugin. Anyway, I'm not going to be connecting that, but this is the score. This way you see the score. I'm not going to be connecting that. I don't want any conflict or so. So let's go and delete that plugin. Let's just go to plugins, install plugins. We need to remove all-in-one SEO. All right, so you see this is all-in-one SEO. So we'll deactivate before you delete your plugin. Remember, you need to deactivate your plugin before you delete. So I'll have to delete it. I've deactivated it. I'm deleting it. So that conflicting message will never show again, right? So let's go now on Yoast. Let's go on, sorry, Monster Insight. Let's go on Monster Insight. Where is our Monster Insight plugin? So this is Yoast. Let's look for Monster Insight. All right, so this is Monster Insight. When you look on Monster Insight, you see you come here, you see dashboard, campaign, template, subscribers, you see integrations, settings, and so on. Now when you click on it, let's just click on Monster Insight. Oh sorry, this is Opt-in Monster. We need to look for Monster Insight. We are looking for Monster Insight. Sorry for that, guys. So we need to remove that Monster Insight. We don't even need that Monster Insight. I don't know why these guys installed that plugin for us. So let's go to plugins. We need to remove Monster Insight. We don't need Monster Insight. Okay, we don't need Monster Insight. So those are plugins that will be installed with the setting up of Google Analytics. Okay, this is Opt-in Monster. We need to deactivate it. We don't need Opt-in Monster. We do not need Opt-in Monster for any reason. So deactivate, delete. All right, so the reason why I'm deleting most of these plugins, we don't need them. A lot of plugins on your website will actually slow down your website speed. All right, so now let's go down. When you come down here, you see under Yoast, you see Insight. All right, Insight, just hover on Insight. You come here, you click on report. When you want to check your report, like your website traffic and all the likes, you just go on Insight. You see Insights, then you click on report. They'll pull up your report for your site and show you. So this is what Opt-in Monster gives you. All right, so if you're an e-commerce store, you come on e-commerce and check, but this is general overview of your site. If you have, now this site is actually empty because we don't yet have visitors. After setting this, we don't yet have any visitor. If I check this site on my phone, I come and refresh this tab, I'll actually have to see everything, I'll actually still have to see one visitor here. So page session 0, page view 0, average session duration 0, total users 0, because we are just from installing and linking up our Monster Insight to Google Analytics. So you see here the visitors at where did they visit your site on desktop, on tablet, or on mobile. You see the percentage here. All right, you see new visitors, returning visitors, you see the percentage there. Then you see top page or top 10 countries. Monster Insight actually shows you the top 10 countries where your visitors are coming from, top 10 referrals, the pages or the social media platforms where your visitors are coming from, then top post, the post that attracts people to your page, right, or to your website. So that is how you link Monster Insight or your website to Google Analytics using Monster Insight, guys. So guys, do not fail to give a thumbs up to this video if you got value, guys. I believe you got values from this video. So guys, I'll see you in another video, guys, and do not fail to switch the thumb up button. Don't click on that thumbs up on the notification icon so that you always be reminded whenever I post valuable content like this. I believe you got a lot of value from this video. So see you guys in the next episode of my video.